Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at React useState. React useState is a hook that lets a component remember a value and re-render when the value changes. I already have an Next.js project set up here. We are going to import useState from React. We are going to initialize the useState hook by saying const array destructuring. The useState returns two values. One is a variable and one is a setter function for that variable. Let's call our variable price and the setter function setPrice. This would be equal to useState. Now you have to tell React what is the initial value of the variable. Let's use 10. And to show that price is a variable, I would render the variable price on my screen instead of home. Now when I save, it displays 10 on my browser. If I am to store another value inside that variable, take for instance, I store John inside that variable. John has been rendered on my web page. Let's take a look at the setter function. The setter function of useState is the function used to change the value of the variable. I will go back to giving my useState a value of 10. Now, if I have a function that says increase price, what do I want the setter function to do? I want to increase price by 10. Let's change our button text to increase price. On our button here, we should have onClick function that calls the increase price and now when I save, each time I click on the button, it increases the price by 10. Let us duplicate this button and call it decrease price. And also I'm going to create a function that says decrease price. And for every time we call this function, it should decrease the price by 10. And now when I save, I have two buttons. One decreases the price by 10, and one increases the price by 10. That is what the setter function does. The setter function is used to change the value of the variable returned by the useState, while the variable holds a value that the component remembers and renders on every change of that value. So that's it guys for the use state. Thank you. I'll see you next time.